How to Connect ClickFunnels 2.0 to AWeber. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. ClickFunnels 2.0 is a very powerful business tool for funnel creation, website building, blogging, online sales, and promises to be a full-featured email autoresponder. The problem is when you're already invested in another email autoresponder and you are trying to migrate to ClickFunnels 2.0, you may need to connect that autoresponder for at least some period of time. As of this video recording, there is no out-of-the-box integration to AWeber, so to connect the two systems, you will need to use a webhook from ClickFunnels and an intermediate system like Zapier to make the connection. These same steps can be used to connect to a different autoresponder, and I'll show you where that is when we get to those steps. The webhook feature of Zapier requires a premium account, but it's rock solid and I've used it for many other integrations and will continue to do so. In this video, I'll walk through the steps required to perform this integration, but I won't be going through the basic Zapier to AWeber integration. There are already plenty of integration videos to help you there. The steps are important to be taken in order, and we'll start with creating the Zap. Once you press the Create Zap button, you'll be shown available apps. Select the Webhooks by Zapier app. You may have to search for it if it's not on your first page. Choose the Catch Hook event. Select Continue twice. Then copy the webhook URL for the next step. Switch over to ClickFunnels 2.0 and select the Settings item from your dashboard. Select Webhooks and add a new endpoint. Name your endpoint. Paste in the URL from Zapier. Pick the event type. Workflows step deliver webhook step executed. This is important. Don't pick any other event type. Press the Create Endpoint button. Now go to the marketing item on the dashboard menu and select the Add New Workflow button. Name your workflow. The run type should be multiple runs. Select Create Workflow. Select the No Trigger Set box and add a trigger. Activate it. Select the event type Opt-in. Select your funnel. Select the funnel page. Press the Create Trigger button. Now press the Close button. Select the plus sign to add a step in the workflow. Scroll down and pick the webhook type step and select the webhook we just added. The next step is to go to your funnel and enable the workflow. Now we will provide an opt-in event to provide test data for Zapier. Preview your opt-in page and opt in a contact. Back in Zapier, we're going to test the trigger. Here we can see the trigger data from our opt-in from our funnel. Now we need to add the next app in Zapier, and that is AWeber. If you are connecting a different email autoresponder, you would do that here instead. For the AWeber event type, choose Create Subscriber. Then you will select your AWeber account that you have already integrated with Zapier. There are two places to confirm the account you are integrating. Now you will select the list to add your subscriber to. Then map the incoming data from ClickFunnels to the fields in AWeber. You can also add a tag for the subscriber in AWeber if you wish at this point. Select the test action, which will push the new subscriber to AWeber. If all goes well, publish and turn on the Zap. Don't forget to name your Zap as well. Here we can see the new subscriber in AWeber with the information we use to opt in. These are all the steps required to connect ClickFunnels 2.0 in AWeber, or really any autoresponder. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. A subscription and a like would be great if you're watching this on YouTube, or a like and follow on Facebook. Share this with someone else who would benefit. I'm interested in your comments as well. There's a link to a free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0, as well as a link to Zapier and AWeber in the description. I've also included a link to the free week-long ClickFunnels 2.0 webinar series called Your First Funnel for those who wish to dive deeper into ClickFunnels 2.0 and everything it has to offer. Until next time, life is good.